You asked how to divide 1589 by 12 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 15. 15 divided by 12 equals 1. 1 times 12 equals 12. 15 minus 12 equals 3. Bring down 8, making 38. 38 divided by 12 equals 3. 3 times 12 equals 36. 38 minus 36 equals 2. Bring down 9, making 29. 29 divided by 12 equals 2. 2 times 12 equals 24. 29 minus 24 equals 5. The remainder is 5. The final result is 132 remainder 5.